South Africa's past was marked by deep inequalities. The 1976 Soweto uprising was a cry for freedom and the right to education, a right finally secured with democracy in 1994. But freedom alone was not enough. The scars of the past lingered, leaving many children trapped in poverty, hunger, and uncertainty. This is where social protection became more than just a policy. The Department of Social Development, also known as DSD, has been at the forefront of ensuring that South Africa's children not only survive, but they thrive. Through grants, support programs, and intervention, DSD is keeping children in school, breaking cycles of poverty. In 1970, only 43,000 South Africans made it to grade 12. Today, that number has risen to over 615,000. A testament to the power of opportunity and support. At the heart of this progress is the Department of Social Development, who have introduced the country's pro-poor policies, particularly social protection. Through their social security programs, they provide more than financial aid. They offer a lifeline to children and families determined to overcome the odds. For children like Nqubeko Bekwa, the child support grant is more than just financial aid. Living in Pietermaritzburg, KwaShange, Nqubeko faced daily challenges that many South Africans know all too well. Long walks to school, limited resources, and the shadow of poverty. But with social assistance, they could afford transport, school uniform, and a hope of a brighter tomorrow. It's the difference between a life of limitation and a future of possibility.
Kushuthi ngesikhathi ngimkhulisa uyosahlukana nobaba wakhe emncane efunda grade R. Kwaphoqa ukuthi angimshiye ngihambe ngiyofuna amatoho. Ngafikela ukuthi nje ngona ngiphinde ngofuna mhlambe eduze kwasekhaya. Kazi ngafonelwa ikhansela laseBhulwa bathi bacela ngona ngizodohoza ezikoleni kanjalo. Ayike ngasebenza ke ngisekhaya ke. Kwashaya isikhathi sokuthi impilo inzima lebaleni.
Like this mover from place to place.
Hayi kusho ukuthi ngabuye ngayeka ke etohweni ngoba ngiyabona phela ukuthi uyaphazamiseka amaklasi uyakhubeka nawo. Sebenzisa indaba egrant ke.
Isikole sethu sisendaweni esemakhaya phakathi komphakathi ohlwempu. Ingakho isikole sethu quintile 2 lokho okwenza ukuthi sibe isikole esingakhokhisi imali yesikole ngoba kuthatha ngokuthi abazali bengane abasebenzi. Usizakale kakhulu uNqubeko ngokuthi ubengeyona ingane eswelayo. Ngicabanga ukuthi ingazo lezi zinto zoma social grant.
So mina ngikhula igrant nje bengikhula ikukhona yona izinto mhlawumbe igcina mhlawumbe nayo engafikanga la mhlawumbe ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi sicoverish sonke ikhaya zonke into esizidingayo kodwa kahle igrant iyona desiphila ngayo.
Yabona empilweni into ebalekile kakhulu isikole.
Mina ngibona wami if i-social development beyingekho I don't think ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe ngila nengikhona namhlanje.
Together, we are writing a story of resilience, of growth, and endless possibility.
Plays it in Mzamweni High School, Nqubeko Bekwa.
The journey isn't over, but the path ahead is brighter than ever.